Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Robert Rivera with Who's On First, the show. And today, you're coming with me to Leesburg, Florida. We're here at the Buddy Lowe Field in Leesburg, Florida. We're here to see the Leesburg Lightning. And they just finished up their first game of a doubleheader, which I didn't even know was going on. But hey, we almost got a twofer. But we got the 7 o'clock game tonight, and you're coming along. So let's go have some fun. Let's enjoy baseball. So we're with the Leesburg Lightning, and this young man has a nice hat. You got all these signatures on there. Who you got on there? Anybody famous?
Jordy.
Jordy? He's your favorite? America, baseball, there's a couple things that go with it. Hot dog, a soda, or a beer. Whichever one you want is good with me. But that's America. You come to a baseball game, you don't eat a hot dog, drink a beer, or have a soda, you didn't go to a baseball game. All right, remember that for next time.
Today's game will be a game 2 of the 7-inning contest between the Winter Garden Squeeze and your Leesburg Lightning. Leesburg, the Florida Collegiate Summer League, and the Leesburg Lightning promote good sportsmanship by student athletes, coaches, and spectators. We request your cooperation by supporting these participants, coaches, and officials in a positive manner. Negative comments, profanity, racist, sexist, or other derogatory comments or actions directed at the officials, student athletes, coaches, or team representatives will not be tolerated and are grounds for removal from the facility. The Florida Collegiate Summer League would like to thank Major League Baseball for their continued financial support throughout the 2024 summer season. From Jacksonville University, number 4, Trent Kelly. Ridge Building, Ryan Leach and Marco. Lightning fans, please welcome to the field from 1410 AM, 95.1 FM radio, WQBQ's NASCAR, Don Palmer, as he performs our national anthem.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave.
So recorded, one of our Lightning staff members. You're going to win the prize. So here we go. Who owns the record for the most strikeouts in a single Major League Baseball game?
Nolan Ryan. He's looking around like we're all crazy.
You got an answer?
Now everybody's Googling it.
Oh, looks like I've got you some.
Nolan Ryan? Nolan Ryan? Nolan Ryan?
In 3, 2, 1. No answer tonight. The correct answer is Tom Chaney. Tom Chaney was with the Washington Senators, who struck out the most hitters in a game with 21 strikeouts. of the shortstop, number 22, Titan Kamaga.
The British are coming. I would send first. Base hit to left field. What's your name? Where you from?
Ty Denton, I'm from Knoxville, Tennessee.
All right. So how do you like the Florida League here?
I'm loving it. A lot of great competition, a lot of guys that I know as well, and I'm just loving it down here. First
Okay.
summer ball experience.
So I mean, what's the toughest thing you've been experiencing here?
Probably going to fields, showing up and getting ready, and then it just kind of rains out like out of nowhere, which it might do that again this game. I did it yesterday. It's kind of annoying. You're halfway, like 30 minutes away, so
All right.
drive back.
All right. So who's your favorite player?
My favorite player?
Yeah.
I'd probably say Yadier Molina since he's a catcher and I'm a catcher. So.
You're a catcher? All right. And what's your favorite team?
I would probably say the Braves since I'm near the Braves. Kind of go to their games, so I would say the Braves.
All right. So what's the one thing you would tell a young kid that wants to be in your spot tomorrow?
I would just stay with it, follow God's plan, and just always work hard no matter what, and keep grinding even if you fail. You know, this game of failure, so just get back up again and keep going.
All right. Well, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Simple questions, love of the game type of stuff. Nothing ridiculous. Oh, that's why. Maybe you should take the lens off. All right. All right. So we have Isaac here. What's your last name?
Stanwick.
All right. And we were playing for what? The Squeeze?
Yes, sir. I'm playing for Squeeze this summer. I'm from Texas.
Okay. So I mean, how do you like it? How do you like the league and stuff?
Well, it's actually like my first time ever playing like collegiate summer ball here in Florida, and I like it a lot. Getting to meet new people and make new friends. It's really fun.
Okay. So I mean, where's your love of baseball come from?
Well, since T-ball actually, I've been playing baseball since I was a little kid, and after that, I fell in love with it.
All right. Who's your favorite team?
My favorite team. I'm a big Rangers fan. Yeah.
Okay. Now, if you could meet any baseball player, who would you want to meet?
I'll probably be Corey Seager for sure.
All right, Corey Seager.
Yes, sir.
All right, so you're thinking maybe one day you make it to the pros and get to
Hopefully
play with
one
Corey?
day. I'm working towards that.
Working towards it.
Yes,
All
sir.
right. I mean, so what do you got? What if somebody came up to you, young kid, and said, "Hey, I want to be in your spot one day"? What do they got to do?
Actually, I'll tell them keep working hard. It doesn't matter how big you are, how weak you are. If you work towards it, you can do it.
Hard work and dedication, right?
Yes, sir.
All right. Well, thank you.
Six, baby. The United States Air Force. United States Marine Corps. The United States Coast Guard. On behalf of the Leesburg Mining, thank you for your service.
That direction.
last night, we're watching the screen, and all of a sudden I'm like, I feel this bright light behind me, and I'm like,
And that'll do it for tonight's ball game with your final score, the Squeeze.
All right, everybody. So we came to the game. Unfortunately, the Lightning did not win. They lost to the other team there. I forgot what they were there. Where are they? They lost to the. What's the other team? The Squeeze. Oh, they lost to the Squeeze. They got squeezed by the Squeeze. No Lightning tonight. They got squeezed out, and the score was 8-5. But they did make a comeback in the last couple innings. So let's give them kudos for that. All right, guys. As we say here on Who's On First, what do we say? Keep swinging. I'm tired.
I want ice cream.
Remember, subscribe, like, make a comment. Tell me what's going on. Tell me what you don't like. Tell me what you do like. I don't want to know what you don't like. I'm only kidding. Tell me whatever you want. I'll make a comment back. All right, guys, have a good day. Keep swinging. If you like the show, please do me a favor. Subscribe. Right. You see it? It's right there. Subscribe, share, like, and don't forget, put that bell on. It'll ding you when I put something else on, all right?